And that's the one. The first authentic Biko. Chef Luca, Chef Eileen, this is live in full flavor from Abu Dhabi. Don't forget to comment, like, share.
Subscribe.
And that's the second version. Look at that. Beautiful cooked caramel on top of this beautiful rice cake.
Smells caramel.
Smell what?
Caramel.
Smell caramel.
Not
Yes, it
Carabao.
is. Yeah, no Carabao, no Carabao this time. If I need to be honest, smell Carabao. Just 37 degrees, sun is shining. I think I burned myself again. For the authentic version, we cook the rice, as usual, with a little bit of Pandan essence. So if you have the leaf, in the rice cooker, normal way. After, in a wok or in a pan, we put our coconut milk with the sugar, and we cook again the rice with it till the consistency I will show you later. After that, we brush with coconut oil our tray, we put in the tray and we cool down a little bit. Second version, we do our caramel, that means part of the first mix of coconut milk and sugar, we reduce it more to get a coconut caramel. Yeah? We put the rice cooked in a tray, we cover with caramel, and we put in the oven for 35 minutes at 180 degrees.
And that's it.
Please try both versions.
And please comment down below which version you love.
The origin of Biko dates back to the pre-Columbian time. The rice cultivation was already established in the Philippines. Rice was always a staple food for Filipino, and the introduction of the sweetness with coconut milk and brown sugar was just a way to create a special treat. And the name comes from Chinese influence, especially from two words, Bi, that means rice, and Ko, that means cake. And this is Chef Luca. Chef Eileen is sleeping on the beach, taking a nap. And we say, live from Abu Dhabi, welcome to our channel, live in full flavor. Please follow us.
Subscribe.
And we will do the two versions of Biko, both super popular, one authentic and traditional, and one baked. We will show you different kind of rice, how to cook it, the method of washing and cooking the rice, the mix of coconut and sugar we will use, and the Latik in two versions. The traditional version Latik, that is coming these nibs of coconut that normally you put on top of your Biko, or the Latik sauce, or coconut caramel, let's say like that. Remember to watch this video till the end to get the secret of both versions. For the tools of today, look at that. I bought Filipino wok, you can buy with handle, but when we were in Philippines, you buy without the wooden handle. I don't know why, but this is coming from Amazon as usual. I put the link in bio. You can buy with those handle, yeah. Same story, 34 centimeter cast iron wok. Perfect. Back in tray, I bought those. Perfect, look the sides, how thick it is. Perfect for our Biko. And a burner. Yeah, I don't have fire at home, I have induction, that means I buy a burner. And this one is perfect for our pan. The burner requires the gas butano. All is coming from Amazon. And a rice cooker. That's the must. And that's it. Measuring tools of today: cup, normal cup, and spoon. Ingredient, just few ingredients, but really important, choose the one. Let's start from the rice, the base and the most important of this dish.
We're going to use the sticky rice or the glutinous rice.
We bought 3 versions just to show you. All of them glutinous rice or sticky rice, but there is a difference. This is the Thai version. Small grain, less gluten, normally used for the sticky mango and coconut rice. Filipino glutinous rice, called sweet rice, as usual. Filipino love sweet. Grain bigger.
And this one, sticky rice, malagkit.
Bigger grain, that's the one original for this recipe, Biko.
For the measurement, 1 cup of rice and then 1 cup of water.
And we flavor it with this, yeah? Pandan essence in this case. If you can find the fresh leaf, why not? 1 spoon in 1 cup of rice. And for the coconut, again, sound easy, but it's not. There are different brands, there are different versions. We got fresh coconut shredded.
So in the Philippines, my mom loves to use the fresh one. This fresh grated coconut from our market because it's so accessible in Pampanga. What we will do is 1 packet of this, we will put it in a bowl with 1 cup of water. We will squeeze the water from the coconut, and that first squeeze is very rich with fat, so that's good. What we're going to use as Latik.
Coconut milk, the finest ever, as usual. Coconut cream in those 2 versions. What is the difference? The fat amount. This brand, more fat, 24%. This brand, less fat, 21%. And what? Coconut milk we normally use to cook or the rice or to do the Latik sauce or coconut caramel sauce because contain less amount of fat, just 6%. If you don't have access to fresh coconut like we have, to do the Latik, the crumble Latik, you use the coconut cream. Why? Because contain fat. You cook in the pan till the fat split, and when it's split, you get these coconut nibs that become brown. This is what is Latik, actually. Of course, if you wanna be fancy and natural, you buy the fresh coconut. Easy.
Okay.
Yeah, it's coming from the farm. You grate it. I don't know.
Okay.
Boo. The sugar. I know it's just brown sugar, but there are a lot of versions of brown sugar. For me, the best supposed to be the Muscovado sugar. I couldn't find, but I show you the 2 I found. Normal brown sugar, pure sugarcane sugar, less refined, brown in color. This is what we wanna use. Now, of course, the rice we already cook is 1 cup of rice, and we need to do the sauce where to recook the rice. Let's say like that. And we will use 1 tin of coconut milk and 1 of coconut cream mixed with 1 of brown sugar.
So in a pan, we're going to put the coconut milk with the 1 cup of sugar. And don't forget a pinch of salt like in every sweet recipe.
And that's it. You know what I mean?
So as you can see, it's boiling, right? So we need to set aside some of it for the topping later, the caramel sauce.
Very nice.
It's like a soup. Next step will be we will put this rice, the malagkit, on our sweet coconut sauce.
Filipino sweet risotto.
So for the traditional version, this kind of consistency is the one that you like.
Very nice.
So the pan is ready.
Of course, in the traditional way, they put banana leaf. We don't have, we use coconut oil from the cooking of the Latik. Very nice. And now the Latik. That means you take this, yeah, you mix in a bowl with 1 cup of water and you squeeze it. With this first squeeze, you get the coconut cream, really rich in fat. What we will use for the Latik. And that's what you want, yeah? Your Latik ready. Okay, authentic version, we cool down a little bit, time to make the traditional cut and put on top our Latik and first version ready.
So finish with the first version of our Biko, the one without baking.
Please try both versions.
And let us know on the comment below which one you love.
Second version.
The caramel sauce.
Our caramel sauce is ready. Perfect consistency, this is what you want. That means we take the rice, we put in a tray and ready for the oven. 180 degrees, 35 minutes.
And this is what you want.
Time to go in the oven, 35 minutes, 180 degrees.
We just finished with the second version of our Biko.
Look at that. Unbelievable.
Biko 2 ways. Time for tasting.
And look at that. Same recipe, Biko, 2 different versions. One really traditional, one with the caramel coconut sauce. Let's test it.
Wait.
What
What should I say? 2 version of Biko. Time for tasting.
And look at that. Yeah, amazing caramel, rice, sticky, unbelievable. and the traditional version. Yeah, with the Latik on top, no caramel, beautiful sticky rice, very sweet. Let's do it. And let's try.
Time for tasting.
It's the caramel, of course. It's not so sweet. It's fine.
And I like the caramel on top. It really gives a sweetness.
Super nice. Let's try the traditional. It has more the Latik and the Pandan. I prefer
Yeah.
this.
Please comment down below which one you tried and which one you love the best. And subscribe!
Subscribe always. Please try both versions.
And please comment down below which version you love.
Chef Luca, Chef Eileen, this is live in full flavor from Abu Dhabi. Don't forget to comment, like, share.
Subscribe!
Super strong smell. If I need to be honest, smell Carabao.